That's tied into to China. And my anytime I run the camera, I'm sure they get a picture of me over there.
Now, this is one of the most arrogant hams I've ever heard, and one of the most misguided, in my opinion. This arrogant guy, ooh, I gotta watch my words, he might hear this. You never know, it's a small world. He was inviting people, he was offering people the opportunity to work his, and he called it this, his mighty SDR. You know what, man? I should give him a call and become a little confused. Oh, you're running an SDR? Oh, okay, old man. Well, I'm gonna say 73, and go find somebody operating a radio. I'm not too much into, you know, working computers. I'd rather work a ham with a radio. 73, old man. Take care. You know, or add, or something along the lines of, well, old man, I'm going to get running along now. I'm going to find a QSO to have with an actual radio. Not too much into the subpar audio qualities of you guys' computers on the air. Yeah, computers on the air have subpar audio, in my opinion. 73, old man. Ooh, you know what, man? Give it up, hams. Arrogant buggers. What's wrong with you? I've said it before, and I'm going to say it again. Be decent hams. Come on, man. Be decent hams, please. 73. Man, you know it's going to happen. You know, should I say his name or shouldn't I? Yeah, boy. These are the tough times when you're a bozo channel. When you have a bozo channel, you know. Should I say his name or not? Yeah. Yes, I will. Guitarzan accused me of suffering from 7300 envy. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's outrageously funny, man. So what now, Guitarzan, sir? Are you going to suggest I suffer from SDR envy? Oh, be well. And lastly, come on, people, what's wrong with you, man? Why will you not watch my Linux garbage? None. None. Nobody will watch it. Nobody will watch a single thing. It's being hilarious, man. You know? Oh, yeah. You guys don't like Linux. But I do. And so I'm formally now announcing my next Linux video will be on why I love Linux. Think I'm kidding? Stay tuned.